Hello students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, we are doing chapter 12 triangles and today we will solve worksheet 1 of this chapter. Okay, so let me start this worksheet. Worksheet 1, question number 1 is draw a triangle XYZ and name its side, angles and vertices. In this question, you have to draw a triangle XYZ of any measure of any type and write the name of its side, its angles and its vertices, just like we have done in the definition like ABC. You have to draw an angle XYZ. Similarly, you will write the name of the sides, name of the vertices and name of the angles. Okay. Now the second question is how many triangles are there in each of the following figure. So here different figures are given. You have to count how many triangles are there in the given figure. So in first figure we have how many triangles? Let me count. This is one triangle, 1, and this is second, 2, and this whole is again one triangle. So total we have 3 triangles in this figure. In figure second, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and one whole triangle, that is 5 triangles. Total 5 triangles. In this figure, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is full triangle, that is 7th triangle, and this is 8th triangle. Okay, so total triangles are 8. Now in the next figure we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles. With this side we have 5th triangle and then 6th triangle. Okay. Now with this side we have 7th triangle and 8 triangle. Okay, so we have 8 triangles in this figure. Now the next question is identify the following triangle on the basis of their angles. So you have to write the type of the triangle in this figure. So first one, here sides are not mentioned, so you have to identify the triangle on the basis of their angles. You can clearly see that one angle of this triangle is right angle. This angle is right angle, 90-degree angle. So it is right angled triangle. Okay. And next one, in next figure, this angle is obtuse angle. So this is obtuse angled triangle. Okay. Now in C figure, we have all 3 angles acute. So this is acute angle triangle. And also in D part, again all the 3 angles are less than 90 degree, which are acute. So this is also acute angled triangle. Okay. Now in fourth question, the fourth question is, can we construct a triangle with angle of measure 70 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree? Why or why not? In our previous video, we have done the properties of triangles and we know that the sum of 3 angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. So to see can we construct a triangle by using these angle, we will add all these 3 angles. So let me add 70 degree, 40 degree and 60 degree, which is equal to 117 degree. Now you can see that sum of 3 angles of triangle is not equal to 180 degree. Okay, सो सम कितना होना चाहिए? सम ऑफ थ्री एंगल्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, देन वी कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट the triangle, otherwise not. So here we can't construct triangle. Why? What is the reason? Because sum of the angles is not equal to 180 degree. Okay, now next is, can you construct a triangle using line segments of length 7 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 12 centimeter? This is again the property of triangle, that sum of any two sides is equal to sum of the two sides of triangle must be greater than the third side. Okay, so here first we will take this and this side. In case 1, 7 centimeter plus 6 centimeter should be greater than 12 centimeter. Okay, here at 7 plus 6 is equal to 13 centimeter, and 13 centimeter is greater than 12 centimeter. This is true case satisfied. Now in case 2, we will take second and third sides. We will add 6 centimeter and 12 centimeter, and the sum of these two must be greater than 7 centimeter. Okay, so 6 plus 12 is equal to 18 centimeter, and 18 centimeter is greater than 7 centimeter. This is also true. Second case is also satisfied. Now we will see the third case. In third case, we will take third and first side. Case 3, 12 centimeter plus 7 centimeter, that should be greater than 6 centimeter. Okay, so 12 plus 7 is equal to 19, and 19 centimeter is greater than 6 centimeter. Yes, it is also true. Okay, so all these three cases are satisfied. Thus we can construct the triangle by using these measure. Okay, yes, we can construct triangle. Okay, if one of the case is not satisfied, that may be sum of two angles, sum of two side may be less than or may be equal to third side, then case is not satisfied, and then we cannot construct the triangle. Okay, now the sixth question is, one of the angle of a right angle triangle is 40 degree. Find the measure of other two angles. Here you have given only one angle, that measure of only one angle, that is 40 degree, and you have to find the other two angles. So first angle is given, that is equal to 40 degree. Okay, it is given. Now what will be the measure of second angle? Because it is given that triangle is right angle triangle, so its one angle must be equal to 90 degree. So second angle is equal to 90 degree. What is the reason? Because triangle is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay. Now you know the two angles of triangle, and we can find the third angle of triangle by using angle sum property. To find the measure of third angle, we will subtract the sum of two angles from 180 degree. 180 degree minus sum of two angles. Okay, So 180 degree minus sum of two angles, that is 40 degree plus 90 degree. 180 degree minus 130 degree, which is equal to 50 degree. So third angle is 50 degree. One angle is 40 degree given, second angle 90 degree, and third angle is equal to 50 degree. Now the next seventh question, and two angles of triangle measure 30 degree and 55 degree. Now two angles are given. Find the measure of third angle and also state what type of triangle is it. So to find the measure of third angle, what will we do? We will subtract sum of two angles from 180 degree. Again, given angles are, this is solution, given angles 30 degree and 55 degree. Now third angle is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree plus 55 degree, which is equal to 180 degree, 85 degree, and this is equal to 180 degree minus 85 degree, that is 95 degree. Okay, so this was the seventh question, but in this question you have to also state what type of triangle is it. So its third angle is greater than 90 degree, which is obtuse angle and therefore this is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, now it's seventh question we have done, and this is eighth question, which is true false. The sum of three angles of triangle is always equal to 180 degree. Yes, it is true. The sum of triangle is always equal to 180 degree. You can write true here. Then the triangle can have two of its angle greater than 90 degree. No, if the triangle have two angle greater than 90 degree, the sum will be more than 180 degree. So it's false. Okay, it's false. Now C part, equilateral triangle has all of its three sides equal in length. Yes, it is true. In equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal in length. One angle of right angle triangle is always equal to 90 degree. Yes, it is also true. And at last, a triangle whose all the three sides are different in length is called an isosceles triangle. It's false, because where in isosceles triangle two sides are equal. So in where all three sides are different in length, that is scalene triangle. So it is also false. So this was worksheet 1. Solve in your notebook. Thank you.